Hello everyone, this is Sydney here and it's our day 7 so far promoting the Threads code. I know that this is a high converting offer, that's why for the last 7 days I have put a lot of hard work into it to promote it, and finally I made it. I made $2,000 in just 7 days promoting this product, and I feel really good because I now build a momentum for you guys, so you can just use my results to leverage. Currently, as you can see, I've got 777 followers and 530,000 views. I mean, 7 days ago, it was like 30,000 views or 70, I don't remember much, but it's like crazy, right? And for the order bump, I got $129 made, pretty passive, and I got 460 leads, and the total commission here is $2,000 in 7 days. And just a disclaimer, because I want to be transparent with you that I already have experience. I know that this offer works, that's why I put my effort into it. I think this result is not very big, however, it's not typical because I don't want you to think that this is a get-rich-quick scheme. No. The Threads code can help you to grow your threads, okay? Because once you start generating traffic, you can sell anything. Not just the Threads code, if you look at it further. And also, I want to share with you the system again, because this is really important and you have to look at the long-term vision. First, for the traffic, we can get from multiple platforms, but ultimately from Threads. The Threads code will teach you to post multiple types of posts that can help you go viral. And then you can start promoting like a post like this. And this is my result. So I can say I made 1.6K in the last 6 days. Want to learn how? So how can you leverage my result? You can simply say, wow, my friend made 1.6K in the last 6 days. Want to learn how? That's it. It's really simple, right? And I already created the free guide, so you can just replace all of your links and start posting. So you can plug in and you can start leveraging my result. Make sure you DM me on my school community here so I can unlock it for you. Now, it's not the best part yet. When you start collecting emails, and when the 7-day email follow-up done, or I know that right now we don't have any emails, but I'm working on it. So we're going to have a complete system. And what's after that? You know that people here are people who want to make money online. And then after that, you can start promoting more offers into your email list. Okay, so this is a really powerful system. It's not just to promote the Threads code alone. If you look at how I am putting it right here, and I really hope that you can see the vision so you don't think it's small and get frustrated because you don't make any sale for the first 1 or 3 months. Just look at you, how far you go, like how many leads that you make a day, and then it will compound later. All right. So I really hope that you can see the vision right here and just put in the work. Give yourself 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months to grow your account. And everything will make sense later. And remember, I still offer my one-on-one support with the purchase of the Win the First program. So I will tell you exactly what to do day by day so you don't get overwhelmed. So if this is something that you are interested in, you can get Win the First and let me know. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find my video helpful, if you love watching my journey, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And this is Sydney from workwithsydney.com, and I'll see you.